Tire pressure monitor systems, or TPMS, have become increasingly popular since 2000 and started as early as the 1990 Corvette. In fact, there are hundreds of thousands of TPMS-equipped vehicles on the road today. Currently, there are two basic types of TPM systems, direct and indirect. The indirect system utilizes the ABS system to determine if a tire is smaller in circumference or lower in pressure than the other tires. The direct system uses either wheel-mounted sensors that are strapped to the inside of a rim or sensors that are connected to the valve stem. Both systems transmit data to the vehicle's electronic control unit, or ECU. These systems are designed to illuminate a dashboard warning light when low tire pressure is detected. In September of 2007, all cars and light trucks sold in the U.S. will be required to have the direct system installed as standard equipment. This provides unique challenges to your repair shop and requires the use of innovative techniques for tire servicing. Targeting this new technology, the OTC Tire Pressure Monitor Kit provides the complete solution for servicing TPMS-equipped vehicles. With this kit, you can quickly service a vehicle with confidence, increase customer satisfaction, and improve your shop's bottom line, all at the same time. The OTC Tire Pressure Monitor Kit includes the Tire Pressure Monitor tool, a quick start guide, this training video, and a magnet for resetting magnetically activated sensors. Also included are the Tire Pressure Monitor System Reference Guides, Volumes 1 through 3. These comprehensive procedural manuals contain over 1,100 pages of valuable reference material that show you how to interface with hundreds of vehicles' TPM systems. Within each vehicle's section of the reference guide is system and component descriptions, diagnostic and testing procedures, tire removal and installation procedures, including TPMS torque specs, and the critical reset procedures. Additional key information may include wiring diagrams and more. The reference guides are also available on CD-ROM or as a condensed quick reference reset manual. At the heart of our kit is the new TPM tool. It's a universal monitor that allows easy, fast, and accurate access to the vehicle TPMS. As you'll see later in this video, that means most TPMS-equipped vehicles can be quickly checked as part of general tire maintenance, and a complete reset procedure can be accomplished in a matter of minutes. It's important to note that radio frequency, or RF, and magnetic energy are the most common sensor activation and cover well over 90% of vehicle applications. There are a select few, however, that use a scan tool to reset the TPMS. Some Toyota models, for example, require the use of a scan tool in order to properly reset the TPMS. If a scan tool is not available, these vehicles may have to be driven a certain distance to be reset. All of these procedures and information are covered in the OTC Tire Pressure Monitor Kit. The TPM tool and magnet cover the RF and magnetic activation, while the reference guides cover all other systems, including those requiring either an OEM or aftermarket scan tool. Let's start with a brief overview of the kit's components and operation. The TPM tool is a handheld, battery-operated wireless RF system that generates low-frequency signals to activate and receive signals from tire sensors. It provides the user with the transmitted sensor data, such as sensor ID numbers and tire pressure. On more advanced systems, it will also indicate temperature and current operating modes. And it activates the sensors to communicate with the vehicle's ECU during a reset procedure. Here's a quick look at the tool's controls and physical features. The on-off button, of course, turns the tool on and off. After pressing the button to turn it on, it's important to know that the tool may take a few seconds to boot up. And to preserve battery life, the tool turns off automatically after 3 to 4 minutes of inactivity. The display screen shows the various menus and test results data. There are 3 variable selection buttons that correspond with information on the display screen and allow you to navigate between menus and to execute menu commands. Some of these essential commands are: press the up and down arrows to select or highlight menu options. Press the Enter button to accept a selected menu option and navigate to the next screen. press Menu to return to the main menu screen at any time. Later, you'll see specific examples of other commands available to the variable selection buttons as part of the diagnostic and reset procedures. On the side of the tool is a standard RS-232 serial port. This connects the unit via serial cable to a computer for future updates. The easy-to-use software is available on CD-ROM and walks you through the update process. An additional serial cable to USB adapter is available should you wish to connect to a computer in this manner. By using the Update Tool function, you can ensure your tool will continue to meet new service requirements far into the future. On the top is the activation antenna that sends and receives signals from the tire sensor. The tool operates with 3 size C batteries installed from the back. The batteries can be either alkaline or rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries. Insert the batteries into the battery compartment, negative end first. When you turn the TPM tool on, remember to wait a few seconds for the main menu screen to appear. You may then select from these functions: Reset Procedure, Diagnostics, or Update Tool. Now let's take a closer look at the 2 main functions of the OTC Tire Pressure Monitor Kit: Diagnostics and Reset. The diagnostics function is invaluable when doing a pre-check or post-check of tire sensors when a customer brings in a vehicle for service.